banana waffles with cottage cheese, a very tasty high-protein breakfast that helps me stay in shape without living off of just broccoli and chicken breast. By the way, if you don't have a waffle pan, you can cook this waffle batter on a pan. Then you will have pancakes. Peel 2 bananas and mash them up with a fork. Then add 2 eggs, 80 grams of kefir or buttermilk, a pinch of salt, 1 scoop of protein powder, which is optional, 130 grams of oat flour or ground oatmeal, and mix everything up. When the waffle batter is all mixed up, take the waffle pan and start cooking the first waffles. While the waffles are cooking, take a bowl, put 1 package of cottage cheese and 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt in it. Wipe the table and mix everything up. Then add berries or fruit of your choice. I use cherries, and mix everything up again. By the time you finish making the cottage cheese, your waffles will be ready, so take them out with a fork and stack them on a plate. I got 7 waffles in total. I usually put cottage cheese on top of a waffle and eat it like this. Simply delicious. If you have any waffles left over, you can later put them in a toaster and they will be as good as new. If you found this recipe interesting, don't forget to like it and save it so you can try it later, and have an awesome day. Peace.